In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock or recover your Tripadvisor account. It's not uncommon to forget a password or face trouble logging in, but don't worry, these simple steps will have you back into your account in no time. We'll focus on resetting your password, so let's dive right into the process with ease and clarity. First, you'll need to navigate to the Tripadvisor login page. This is the portal to your account, where you're usually greeted with fields asking for your email and password. But since you're having trouble logging in, you'll want to focus on the option that says Forgot Password. It's typically found right below the login fields. Clicking this option begins the process of recovering your access. Now, once you've clicked Forgot Password, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Tripadvisor account. This is a crucial step, as it's the email where Tripadvisor will send further instructions to help you regain access. Ensure that you enter the correct email address to prevent any delays or confusion. After you've entered your email, the next step involves checking your inbox. This part is important because within moments, Tripadvisor will send you a password reset email. Be patient, but if you don't see the email right away, don't forget to check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes essential emails can end up there by mistake, so it's always a good idea to give these folders a quick glance. Once you locate the email from Tripadvisor, you'll find it contains a special link. This is your gateway to setting a new password. Go ahead and click on this link, and you'll be directed to a secure page where you can create a new password. When choosing your new password, consider making it strong and different from your previous passwords to maximize security. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to create a robust password that's easy for you to remember, but tough for others to guess. Congratulations, you've just set up a new password for your Tripadvisor account and can now confidently log back in. Keep this new password secure and consider using a password manager to help you remember it in the future. It's an easy way to store and manage all your various passwords securely, ensuring you won't have to go through this recovery process too frequently. Remember that keeping your account information updated and secure is essential to avoid any disruptions. Hopefully, this tutorial has made locking and unlocking your Tripadvisor account a straightforward task. With these skills under your belt, you're now better prepared to handle similar situations not only on Tripadvisor, but on other platforms as well. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your next travel adventure with the peace of mind that your account is safe and secure.